Let the curtain rise. The show's on, hounds. Handy.
Simulating the Chaldean order.
Time waits for no one, even for a great people.
Decrypt the cosmos. Who charts the stars' orbits?
Planning. Learning.
Calculating the Arabic parts.
Leave it to me. An unconventional choice. Please, take good care of yourself.
See how they oscillate.
Please cease resistance. I'm here, with everyone. The show's on. The show's on. I'm here.
Simulate calculating the Arabic parts.
Time waits for no one, even for a great people. An amazing discovery.
Who charts the stars' orbits? An accurate reading. Simulating the calculating the Arabic parts.
An unconventional choice. I will help you.
A message from the stars. An adequate sample.
Show's on, hounds. What should I sing? So untamed. The show's on, hounds.
Simulating calculating the Arabic parts.
Take my hand. Time waits for no one, even for a great people.
Accurate reading. Who charts the stars' orbits? Simulating the Chaldean order, calculating the Arabic part.
Become a vessel on the stage.
About this world, I've been an adequate sample. Decrypt the cosmos.
Why'd you fall till every night? Why'd you fall till every night?
Through Hypatia's sacrifice, we have reached the stars.